to set up a Git to use SSH for cloning a repository in Ubuntu. So to make sure the Git is installed on your system, so open your terminal and do git ---- version. If Git is not installed, you can install the Git by the following commands: sudo apt update and sudo apt install git. So now the next step is to generate an SSH key in your Ubuntu machine. So you need to run ssh-keygen -t rsa-b 4096-c in uppercase and your mail ID. Then you need to give this command, and after that you need to just press enter. It will ask you to save the file. Just press enter, don't pass any passphrase, and just start the ssh-agent with this command, and also your ssh private key to the agent. Add the ssh private key to your agent, and then now we need to cat the ssh file whatever we have generated. So copy your ssh public key to your clipboard, and you can use the following command to display the key. Now you need to copy the file content, and now you have to go to the GitHub. In the settings, you just navigate to the settings, and left side you can see the ssh and gpg keys. So you just have to set up one ssh key, just new ssh key, and give some titles and select the authenticate key, and whatever content you got from the ssh key in your Ubuntu machine, just copy and paste it here and just save. And then after, you just have to test the ssh connections. To test the ssh connections what added successfully, run the following command: ssh-t in uppercase git@github.com. If everything set up correctly, it will show you that hi your username is successfully authenticated. Now you can clone your repository with the ssh command git clone. Now git ssh command you will get in your GitHub. So just copy the git ssh command and just paste it in your terminal. You will able to see you are able to clone the GitHub repository with ssh.